cooking your way through.
Oh my God. Whew. You guys don't even know what I just went through. Like, so much for that. Ah. As soon as the camera comes on, I see it. Oh, okay. Oh, hey guys. So let's get. Which one is this? Let's make sure that she's working. Okay. Okay, so I'm just over here. Oh my God. You got me? You got me? Hey, you. Look at me. Hey, what's up? We really doing it. You invested your time, your money, your energy into this dream of yours to put this out there. And no matter what happens, you did it. You are killing it. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Way through life.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.